Very much. Though I cannot sing like Ambassador Manalo, and I will not even try. I'd like to thank everyone for this afternoon, for being here, for spending your afternoon with us. Of course, as we put a close to this Tibolian Ubo Cultural Masterclass here at PWU, I hope and pray that in our own little way here at PWU, we've been able to deepen our understanding of the Tiboli and the Ubu culture and the people. And that after hearing Sir Michael Yambok, Sir Dexter Manumba, and Madam Yegas, we're able to understand their culture. We learn to respect the indigenous culture and the knowledge that they bring. That we, in our own little way, also will support the cultural preservation. And as what Sir Mike has said, we must act and take initiative. We should not just leave it up to the indigenous people for them to promote and preserve their culture. But in our own little way, we can help them, with respect and in our own researches and in our own promotion. And hopefully we take the lessons of their culture, we take it, and it doesn't stop this afternoon, but we take it in our everyday lives, making sure that their children and our children and the next generation have a clear identity and are being celebrated. So once again, I'd like to thank, of course, Sir Michael Yambok, our Ubu Youth Dexter Manumba, and of course our Ubu Master Chanter Elena Yegas Lumbing. We thank you for your presence, we thank you for your passion and your commitment in keeping your culture alive and for sharing it with all of us here. I'd also like to thank the PWU community for supporting this masterclass. Of course, we have Dean Earl, we have Dean Padua, we have Ambassador Manalo, all the faculty and program chairs joining us here, as well as the students and the community. And of course, our friends from the different schools and organizations who have joined us this afternoon. We thank you in supporting us in this activity because in our own little way here in PWU, we want to make sure that our community is educated in terms of culture, that we learn and respect and we live it. And by giving this opportunity to us, we'll forever be grateful. Sir Mike, you know you'll always have a home here at PWU. So, wag mo na bilangin kung ilang beses ka nandito dahil sigurado akong maraming beses ka pa babalik at babalik dito. We're truly grateful for your presence and your passion and the education that you bring and the Tiboli and the Ubu people that bring and share it with us here at the university. So, thank you again. Salamat and mabuhay.